Today, my chocolate lab, Sadie, is going to help me show you guys how to apply eye ointment to a dog. This can be really tricky depending on your dog. Some dogs are a little more tolerant than others. I would definitely recommend trying to tire your dog out. Do it when they're tired, relaxed. You don't want to try to do it when they're all wound up. And if you can have a second person, if you know that your dog is especially wiggly or not quite as tolerant, if you could have a second person to help you, that would be the best bet. Sadie is really used to me doing all kinds of things to her. We groom at home. I give her medication. She is definitely very tolerant. So it's just me working with Sadie today because I know her very well and I know that she's going to allow me to do this. We have our eye cream here. You never want to administer anything to your pet, especially in their eyes, without consulting your veterinarian. You know, at-home treatments are great, but if it's not what your dog needs, it could actually make the situation worse, which could lead to permanent eye damage. So you never want to take that risk. Sadie doesn't actually have an eye infection or any kind of condition right now, so I'm not going to actually apply the ointment, but I'll walk you through the steps. So the first thing that you may want to do, especially if it's an eye condition that causes discharge, you'll want to get a warm cloth or a washcloth with warm water on it and just wipe around the eye really gently, and that'll get any discharge or gunk that might be there out of the way. And then you're just going to hold your dog's head, and you want to use your thumb and your index finger to just hold the eye open. And then with your other hand, you're going to apply the cream to the eye. So it's really simple. A couple of tips, just try to stay calm, because if you're nervous and anxious about it, your dog's going to feed off of that. You don't want to try to restrain your dog and hurt them. It needs to be a really gentle, easy process, and that will help to keep your pet calm as well. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to email me. Thanks for watching this video guide.